Every point gets exactly one partner. Nothing tears. Nothing overlaps. And still, these two are not the same shape. Pair every point of one shape with exactly one point of the other. Then walk. Smooth here. Smooth there. Now walk the other way. Smooth again. That is the whole idea. Points close together stay close together. Going forward. And coming back. Both directions. Always both. So the map goes both ways. F from X to Y. F inverse from Y back to X. 3 demands. F pairs them up perfectly. F is continuous. And its inverse is continuous too. That is a homeomorphism, back to the interval. The wrap is a perfect pairing. And it is continuous. But run it backwards. 2 points next to each other on the circle come from opposite ends of the interval. The inverse jumps. That third condition is not decoration. So no. A circle is a square. A circle is not an interval. A homeomorphism is a two-way street.